Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpin here. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. My Christmas was really good. I got lots of good trains today. Got lots of rolling stock. I also got a couple of locomotives I'd like to share with you guys that I got for Christmas this year. So, without further ado, let's get started. And I'll show you guys what I got for Christmas this year. Alright, so starting off with the locomotives I got for Christmas, I got 3 locomotives, which is what I never expected I would get. So what I have here, the first locomotive I have is a Norfolk Southern C40-9, or you can just say -940C. So this is an Athearn Genesis, which was, I believe these locomotives were released last month. So what I have here is NS number 8855. So it's a very sharp looking locomotive, because as you know, I really love the top hats, and the fact that they're doing them in the horsehead scheme, I just was like, whoa, what if I had one of these? And here it is, I finally got one for Christmas. Very sharp looking locomotive. Wow. Very cool looking. You can see. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Got some detail back as well. Very cool. Wow. Very nice. This is a very cool locomotive. So, yeah. So now, let's move on. The next locomotive I have is another Athearn locomotive. This is something that I picked up myself at one time at my local hobby shop for Christmas. This is an Athearn Roundhouse Union Pacific AC400, or as UP refers to them as C44AC. So the road number I have is 6566. It's very cool looking as well. And the real cool thing about it is I really love how they painted over the window right here. Because there's supposed to be a window, but they painted it over, because the real life locomotive does not have the door window, from what I heard. And it's got the low number boards, and has LEDs, and it also has prime for grime, because I think this was, which is very cool. Paint scheme on it is very stunning. Yeah, let me get it back out of the way, get my shadow out of the way. Look at that. Very nice paint scheme. And then the top, there's a Sinclair antenna. The one thing I would need to do is put a PTC antenna on it on top to make it look pretty typical. Handrails are nice. It's still got these non-working ditch lights, which doesn't really bother me that much, but it's okay. And very nice. Grills are nicely done. Wow. And that's really cool. And the backside, and ooh, very good detail here. So anyways, even for a budget-friendly locomotive, I think this would be a pretty nice locomotive to add to your collection, even if this is like a basic locomotive. So, anyways, so moving on, my last locomotive I want to share with you guys is this one right here. Ooh, this is an Walters Trainline BNSF B40-8. So, it's pretty interesting. I mean, it's just some basic locomotive, and as you can see, there's no number boards. It means you gotta renumber you can just put the road numbers yourself. But mine is numbered 8623. So this was actually before BNSF began renumbering their B40-8s to make room for possibly the Aces. And it's very nice. It's got silver trucks. It's got the Acme couplers. Because I believe that the real life ones didn't. They have like the black trucks or the dark green trucks on these. So, anyways, got the brake wheel detail. There's no detail, and also it doesn't come with a there's no plow, but it does come with a plow. It's right here. You can put on yourself. So, anyways, there's the horn, 5 chime. because because usually one of these had, like, I believe they had RS3Ls, K3LAs, and all that. And here's the back side. Very nice. As you can see, no number boards. Anyways, very nice. So, yeah. Here it is. Basically that's all the 3 locomotives I have. The NS-9, UPAC 400, and the BNSF B40-8. So, yeah, this is quite impressive. So, anyways, let's move on to my new rolling stocks for Christmas. Alright, so now, here are the rolling stock I got for Christmas. So, what I have here is I have 5 Bowser 70-ton ballast hoppers, and all of them are in the Chicago Northwestern scheme. I got 3 of them in the yellow, and then 2 in the red and white scheme, which is pretty interesting. So they're all in the different road numbers. So you can see, I'll show you them. Here's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's the 5 I have. They're pretty nice cars, and you can see they already have a ballast load already with them. It's got the metal couplers, and then lots of good detail. And then there's the chute where it unloads the ballast, and all that. Very nice. So we got 5 of them. I'll be using those when I run some UP. That'll also be perfect when I run my new AC 4400. So yeah. Another one. This one is one car I have not unboxed yet because as you know, it's a Scaletrans Kit Classic. So this is a gondola. I have another one. This is the Chicago Northwestern. So got right there. So I got quite a few Chicago Northwestern stuff, so I can use that for to run the UP manifest. So yeah, so once I unbox this, I'll assemble this car, and then we'll get on the layout. So next ones I have, these 2 are also new. I got these NS coal cars. These are Walther's mainline 100-ton cars with the 4 bays. So I got 2 of them. Different road numbers each. So it'd be pretty cool to have these, because maybe I might try to build an NS coal train sometime. Like get a couple of BEP guns and maybe some Top Guns as well. Like the Atlas Top Guns and some of the BEP guns from like maybe Athearn, or not sure if Scaletrans might do a second run of these in the future or not, like do NS. But that'd be really cool if they did. So I'll do a coal train. And here's another one I have. This is a Bowser coal hopper. So this is another one. The other one I have is a different road number. So anyways, there's that. And this one is actually my favorite rolling stock I got of all. The Southern boxcar. This is a Walther's mainline 50-foot ACF boxcar. It's very cool looking because I love the paint scheme on this, because, you know, that. And I love how it says Southern serves the South. It's a very nice car. And because I believe that NS still has a couple of these still running around. You'll find them on like mixed rates and such. So I think this will be perfect if I ever want to do my NS manifest and all that. So yeah. So that's basically the new rolling stock I got for Christmas. So the Walther's NS hoppers, the Bowser one, and the Sun boxcar, the ballast hoppers, and as well as the gondola. So anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this, for all the new trains I got for Christmas this year. I'll leave you guys with a run by with all the 3 locomotives in action, and as well as the new rolling stock. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.